Good day, everyone. Steve Villanueva here. A live look outside. There's the Fort Pierce Jetty. Just a gloomy and windy and raw day across South Florida. And as we head into the next couple of days, the winds will stay with us. In fact, right on through Sunday. Next week, the winds back off as the storm starts to pull away. Now, we are expecting generally light rain through tomorrow. And then as we head towards Saturday, that's when we're really going to start to see some heavy rain in the forecast. All right, so let's explain. Right now, temperatures lower 70s. Pretty much that's going to be the daytime high for today. Notice the wind sustained off of the Atlantic at 20 to 30 miles an hour, but we're seeing wind gusts up to 40. In fact, earlier we had a wind gust of 45. So it's just very, very windy outside, and the wind stays strong through Sunday. Now, we do have a couple of light, quick, fast-moving rain showers coming in off of the Atlantic waters and then pushing inland. You can see how fast they're moving. They're mainly into Palm Beach County, into the Treasure Coast. For the most part, we are dry. But right now, the actual heavy rain is well to our south and down towards the Keys, so that's where we're seeing some big downpours. All of this connected to this stalled front to the north, high pressure in control, and this is a very strong ridge of high pressure, and that's going to keep the winds in the forecast again through Sunday. Now, as we head into tomorrow, an area of lower pressure will develop in the Gulf of Mexico, and this is going to work its way across the peninsula on Saturday. So as we head towards later on Saturday, towards the evening hours, the nighttime hours, that's when we can see very heavy rain come on through, and we could also be dealing with the potential of some stronger storms. The National Weather Service is placing pretty much the entire state under a marginal risk of severe weather as we head towards Saturday. So we could be dealing with some stronger thunderstorms and maybe an isolated tornado or two. Again, this is late Saturday and into Saturday night. Rainfall totals through Saturday morning really not that impressive, anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to about 1/2 an inch. But overnight Saturday and into Sunday morning, that's when we're going to pick up most of the rain. And we're talking anywhere from 2 to 4 to potentially up to 6 inches. So that's when we could be dealing with some flooding Saturday night into Sunday morning. Otherwise, today, temperatures lower to the middle 70s. A very windy day with some fast showers. Overnight tonight, those quick showers continue. Temperatures really not budging, right around 70 degrees. With those gusty winds, a gale warning in effect. We're talking winds up to 45 knots, seas potentially up to 19 feet. So boating is going to be very rough, really not recommended over the next couple of days. By the time we get to Sunday, that's when the storm is starting to pull away from us. And then behind it for next week, we're much sunnier, but cooler too.